Out with the old and in with the new.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's time for some more performance mods on Buttercup. Just a recap of some things that I've done performance-wise. Done the Ford Performance Tune, exhaust, intake, intercooler. We have the Boomba manifold spacer, throttle body spacer. And that was it until now because I added the aFe hot and cold intercooler charge pipes. I thought at this point I've done enough performance modifications that I wanted to see if changing the charge pipes is going to make a big difference. So let's find out a little bit about these charge pipes, and at the end of this video I'm going to do some Dragy hits before and after. If you're looking to maximize the performance of your Bronco, then upgrading your charge pipes is a must. The aFe BladeRunner hot and cold charge pipe kit is designed to replace your factory restrictive charge pipes, delivering better airflow, improved durability, and more power. This kit features TIG-welded aluminum construction with a 2 1/4 to 2.5 inch hot side pipe and a 2 3/4 cold side pipe, ensuring smoother airflow and increased boost efficiency. It also comes equipped with factory-style quick connect fittings with O-ring seals, making installation easy while maintaining a secure leak-free connection. For added strength and reliability, this kit includes stainless steel spring-loaded T-bolt clamps and 5-ply silicone couplings, giving you the confidence to push your Bronco to the limit, whether you're tearing it up on the trails or hitting the open road. But that's not all. The 1/8 inch NPT ports give you the option to connect sensors or even a water methanol injection system for even greater performance potential if you desire. Finally, the powder-coated wrinkle black finish doesn't just look aggressive, it's built to resist heat and corrosion, ensuring your charge pipes last for years to come. aFe claims up to 11 horsepower added by adding these charge pipes. So in today's video, we're gonna see if we notice any sort of performance difference. Now, before I do the Dragy hit, since we already have it installed, which by the way, the installation isn't hard, but it isn't easy. So if you're not into that kind of stuff, it's probably better off just to have your local mechanic or dealership add these. But let's go back and watch my footage from my last Dragy hit from when I added my Boomba manifold spacer and throttle body spacer and look at those numbers. Woo! Hoppity hop! Now that we have the baseline of how it was performing before I added these charge pipes, we're gonna go do our first hit with them on. One thing to keep in mind, this is gonna be my first hit with these charge pipes on. With time, I feel like it's only going to get better. That's because with the Ford Performance Tune, it's a learning tune. So after a couple weeks of getting better airflow and things improving, your power, your performance is gonna increase and get better as well. But let's just see what it's like just right off the bat. I feel like that was a great hit. Is it faster than before? I'm not sure. I rewatched the footage. It's awesome. Sorry there's no audio because my phones and everything were hooked up to CarPlay and I thought I disconnected all that, but that's just what happens when you do YouTube stuff. But let's go back to the house and see what the Dragy footage revealed. All right, no matter what, that was a really great hit. It felt awesome. She was bucking like a Bronco is supposed to be bucking. But I know you are here for the numbers and for the results. So just to recap, on my last video that you guys saw when I did the Boomba manifold and throttle body spacer, my numbers were at the 60 foot 2.11, 0 to 60 6.75, and I did the 8th mile in 9.53. After adding the charge pipes, and I mean like right after installing, these are my numbers. 60 foot 2.07 compared to the 2.11. 0 to 60 was 6.33 compared to my old 6.75, and my 1/8 mile 9.35 when it was 9.53. So we see an improvement. That's before driving this around, having the Ford Performance Tune, learn all the new airflow and stuff. Yes, I do think that the charge pipes do make a difference. We will see what the difference is more long-term, you know, here in a few weeks, a couple months, I'll do another Dragy video and hey, probably add more performance parts. All of the stuff mentioned in this video, everything you see on this Bronco is available at buckleupoffroad.com. And since I had such a great turnout of viewers watching my videos all the way to the end and earning a special discount, I'm gonna do that again. If you're interested in any of these items that I mentioned in this video, contact me at support@buckleupoffroad.com for a special promo code. Just say, hey Krista, I watched your video to the end, give me my discount. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and turn that notifications bell on so you're notified when all of my videos are released. Until next time guys, buckle up, Buttercup.